One of the main reasons why I love my workshops in public speaking, going out to companies, is because it works. When people leave my workshops in public speaking, they do know how to talk from a stage, how to own that stage, how to storytell, how to start, how to fill out your message, and how to finish. And they have changed their relationship to presentation, to being on stage. And that's why I love to do my workshops in public speaking. You do it right. What was good? Come on, help me. What was good here? It was very good. Question. Very good. What did he more do?
Eye contact.
What?
Eye contact.
Eye contact. You do it. Fine eye contact. See how it helps already? What more was good?
The pause.
Pause. You did pauses, man. You're very skilled. Very good. What more?
Looking the Obama.
The Obama turn. He did the Obama turn. Very good. What more? My workshops are highly interactive. That means that people come up on stage in groups and have fun because they role play. The tools that I've just been teaching them, the public speaking tools, they have fun and they learn and they remember. They work. My workshops work.
Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a medical doctor here in Copenhagen, and I've just been to the workshop with talerne.dk, and I think it's fantastic. I've gotten some new tools that I can use, especially being an awkward Scandinavian speaker with no training whatsoever. I wish I had had this a couple of months ago when I had to speak in front of 1,000 people, but yeah, I feel more ready now.
Okay, and what was, could you mention some of the tools? What was the best tools?
Well, I think this concept of fear, that you have to have a good feeling, that's something I'm really going to take with me and use this whole cortisol and power move. So you're prepared to do your speak, because it's often the beginning which is really troublesome, at least for me.
Thank you so much, Maria.
Yeah,
Appreciate it. Thank you.
If you use my tool, and that's only $5,000. That's called the speaking house. Yes. Okay, everybody, has it been a good workshop tonight? Have you learned a lot about public speaking? Have you learned a lot about storytelling?